In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your company address on a Xero invoice. This skill is fundamental for maintaining updated details on your invoices, ensuring they reflect accurate contact information for your business. Whether you're moving your business, updating your records, or simply correcting an error, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it as straightforward and hassle-free as possible. First, let's head over to the Xero homepage. You can do this by typing the Xero website URL into your web browser. Once there, you'll notice various options and features on the site. However, our immediate task is to log into your Xero account. To do this, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. Upon clicking the Login button, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Here you should type in the email and password associated with your Xero account. Carefully enter these details, ensuring accuracy to avoid any login issues. After entering your email and password, go ahead and click on the Login button. This action will take you into your Xero dashboard, which is the control center for all your accounting activities on Xero. From here, you'll have access to a wide range of features and settings related to your business's financials. Next, navigate to your organization's area within the dashboard. You can do this by either directly using a link if you have one saved, or by finding and selecting the Your Organization option from the dashboard's menu. This section is your gateway to customizing and updating various aspects of your organization's details on Xero. Once you're in your organization section, it's time to move on to your settings. Look for the Settings option, which usually has a gear icon next to it. Clicking this will open up a menu of various settings related to your Xero account, ranging from financial to organizational settings. Within the settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Organization Details. Click on this to proceed. This section contains general information about your organization, such as the name, tax numbers, and importantly for us, contact information. After entering the Organization Details section, look for a tab or section named Contact Information. This area is specifically dedicated to the address and contact details of your organization. Here you'll see the current address listed for your company. Now it's time to update your company address. You will see fields or boxes containing your current address. Click into these fields to make them editable. Carefully type the new address information, ensuring that every detail is accurate. This information will appear on your invoices, so it's crucial to double check for typos or errors. Once you're satisfied that your new address details are correct and fully updated, it's time to finalize the changes. Look for the Save button, which should be prominently displayed near the address fields you've just edited. Clicking Save will apply the changes to your organization's contact information, ensuring that all future invoices generated will display the new address. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your company address on your Xero invoice. This change will ensure that your invoices reflect the most current contact information, which is essential for maintaining professional and accurate billing communications with your clients. Remember, keeping your business information up to date in Xero not only helps in creating accurate invoices, but also plays a crucial role in ensuring compliance with legal and financial regulations. Take advantage of Xero's intuitive interface to regularly check and update your business details as needed. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips on making the most of Xero for your business. Whether you're a seasoned Xero user or just getting started, staying on top of your business's financial details is key to managing a successful enterprise.